Hello guys, today I'm back with a new video that how to create a login and register system in Laravel 6.0. There are some few changes which after the update of Laravel 6.0. So first we'll open the command prompt first to create a fresh application. So then we have to go to the folder where we have to save our Laravel project. I'll just go to C folder, exam in my machine, and I use htdocs. We'll go to the Laravel website first, so they will give us all the help of how to create a new application. In the documentation, this is Laravel 6.0. The documentation, go to getting started, then installation. So yeah, they have said that in VIA Composer create project, we have to copy this link, and then this is the project name which we are going to name it. I'll just type it log2. So the folder will be called as block2. I'll just enter it. So it will start creating a fresh application. So if you don't know how to set up this examp, I'll just create a new video, so please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So for this it will take some time, so I'll just push the video and get back to you once it's done. Hello guys, I'm back. It has been completed. It says that application key set successfully. So let's go on to the folder and check whether it has been done on it. This is local disk C which I have in examp, and then htdocs. Yeah, so this is log2. It has been set up properly, so we'll go to the live site and check local server and check whether it works properly. Localhost blog2. Okay, and then we have to go to the public first because we haven't default set any routes yet. So this is the basic page, so we have to create a login page here. So we'll go to the doc, and then there is something called front end. Okay, once you go to the front end, there is something called front end scaffolding. So once you click it, the first one, upper one, introduction, there is something called composer require laravel UI. So to make this login and register, we need to install this UI. Earlier this was not there in 5.8, 5.7. We just need to type only php artisan make code, but here we have to type some code. So I'll just copy this and I'll just open my terminal and then paste it. So it will start downloading. It will also take some time, so I'll just push the video and we'll get back to you soon. Okay, it's done. So next we have to use this command php artisan. You can use react or vue. I'll just use vue. Just copy it and then paste it in the terminal. Oh, hello. Sorry, I just made a small mistake here. So once the htdocs, we have to again go to the block2 page. Block2. Okay, then only we have to copy this link, this compressor laravel uid. Sorry, I just made a small mistake. So it will take some time to do execute this code. Okay, it's done. Next we have to, I'll just copy this php artisan code and then paste it. Okay, it says that please run npm install, so we'll run it, and then first we just paste this code also. So we'll try it. Is there any changes? Yeah, okay. Now the login and the register has been there, but it's still the UI is not working because we have to type npm install before. So I'll just type npm install. It will also take some time, so I'll just push the video and get back to you once it's done. Okay guys, it's done. So now we have to type, so once the npm install is done, we have to type npm watch, or you can type npm run dev. No problem. npm run watch. So it will execute all our npm node package modules, and it will execute. So while you are typing css and everything SARS, you have to use npm run watch or npm run dev, so it will execute all the codes. So once it's successful, you can go and check again. Once you go to login, okay, the UI is perfect, so it's done. So the next work we have to do is we have to create a database. So I'll just go to the laravel and then php my admin. Okay, in php my admin, I'll just create a new database. Okay, I'll just name it blog2, blog2, and then create it. Okay, once it's done, we have to open it. So I'll just open my folder in VS Code, Visual Studio Code. Okay, and then I'll just there's something called open folder. Once you click it, yeah, it's redirect to local.xampp htdocs. I'll just click blog2 and select it. Okay, it's done. So next we have there's something here in the left side, there's something called env. We have to go to that env, and then in that there's something called here db connection mysql. So since I am using mysql, I have to configure this mysql. So my database name is log2, blog2, sorry b log2, and then my username is root, and password I haven't mentioned any password, so there is no password. Okay, once it's done, you just again open the terminal. Okay, I'll just keep that thing. php artisan migrate. So this command will do is, there is something called migration here, which it's already been migrated once we use this make auth command. So if we go to the app, sorry, in the database folder, there's something called migration. So here there is something called create user table. So this will execute while we type php artisan migrate. If you need to create any new tables or anything, you can just create a copy and paste it, so it will create automatically a new table. So I'll just type php artisan migrate. So once it's done, there will be an error, because since this is an error, it's an almost an old error which comes. So just copy this error message and just go to the internet and just search for it. So there are several solutions. I'll just go to this page. Error 5.5 spite key too long error. So this is an error. So they have said it should be copied to, they haven't mentioned it, so I'll just say you just copy this schema, this code, and then go to your VS Code, and there is something called in the app there is something called providers. In the providers there is something called app service provider. In app service provider there is function called boot, so you just paste that inside the boot function, and then you have to include this link: use illuminate support package schema. So I'll just paste that link on the top. Okay, once it's done, and we should again go to our database and check whether any tables has been executed or not. If not, there will be error. Okay, there are two tables has been already executed. Just remove the both of the table. Okay, done. So again, now just go and type php artisan migrate. So this time it will execute the whole code. Okay, done, almost done, perfect. Okay, now we'll just go and check our application again. So I'll just create a test, first test, and test 100@gmail.com password, and I'll just register it. Okay, successful. Yeah, it says that test has been registered. I'll just log out it and just log in. Okay, it's working perfectly. Okay, and also I'll do my next video in that email verification password reset link. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like. And also I'm just going to create a basic laravel application, a whole course, a blog site. So I'll just start by doing. You all have to support me, so please don't forget to subscribe, and if there are any doubts or anything, please comment it below. Thank you very much.